How's it going? We're here for day 65 of Fergus Tuner Day in Madison, Wisconsin. I'm joined by Lindsay Kleckner, who's from Northern Illinois. Came all the way up to Madison to see the show here. And to play a tune which is called Memories of Father Angus. So I just learned this one as well. Another new tune for me, so we'll give it a go. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow for day 66.